Grayson. Here he comes with his big Tonka truck. And there's Ripley! That Tonka truck can make it through the sand, through the snow. This is a good commercial for Tonka. Oh, the abominable snow woman is trying to get the dog. Ripley! Ripley loves the snow. Get her, Ripley! Get her! Whoa!
Got me!
Ripley!
The monster got me! Oh, truck!
Truck fall down! Truck fall down! Ripley! Hey, buddy.
I think it needs fixing. Should we fix it?
Nani will fix it.